What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on natural gas prices.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news might be the catalyst for this asset for upcoming days and weeks. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video somewhere at this point when this asset broke the range of resistance that I marked previously by connecting these several tops and projecting it to the bottoms. And as you can see, we formed right here from the June 28th, we formed a perfect bull flag, and this asset respects pretty good this channel, and most likely this type of channels breaks to the upside, and it happened right here, and we caught this movement to the upside. I've told you on one of my previous videos that we could accumulate our position all the way down to this range of support, and the stop loss order should be below this range of support, and fortunately we've caught this movement to the upside, and potentially your entry point might be somewhere at $2.5. Definitely it is near to impossible caught the real bottom, especially when you're laddering your buys down, even if you do it incrementally. But let's be conservative, and from this range you are still up for about 7%. And on my previous video right here, I've told you that if you entered your position right here, you could put your stop loss on a safer territory, about several percent above your entry point, and this allows you to be in green no matter what, even if the market turns over against you. So, and I have to say that this asset is quite technical, and I cover three assets: ticker symbol BOIL, ticker symbol Natgas, it is natural gas spot prices, and natural gas futures. And for those of you who follow my channel for quite some time, you know that my technical analysis is quite accurate, and we caught the majority of movements of ticker symbol BOIL, and the overall win rate of these trades is more than 60%. We caught only 2 stop losses with a small number of losses, and in general we booked more than 60% of potential profits. This means if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family, because these type of videos are unique in my opinion in the YouTube space, and definitely it is the most useful videos if you want to know more about technical analysis and if you want to learn more about how the market works. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you this article. We are on Nasdaq.com, and this article was published on July 25th, and it's titled "Scorching US Attempts Lift Natgas Prices." And let me quote you this: "Natgas prices on Tuesday settled moderately higher as near record high temperatures this week in the central and southeastern US will boost Natgas demand from electricity providers to increase air conditioning usage. Natgas prices Tuesday also had carryover support from a rally in European gas prices to a 2-week high. Gains in Natgas were contained after forecast atmospheric G2 said cooler temperature expected for the central and eastern US from July 30th August till August the 3rd. And this means we have at least 4 to 5 days, almost 7 days in best case scenario, till the potential trend reversal. On top of that, let me show you this article. We are on financialpost.com, and this article was published just several hours ago, and it's titled "European gas prices extend jump as outages tighten supply." European natural gas prices rose for a 5th day, the longest streak since April, as outages tighten global supply while heat blankets parts of the region. And we also have the confirmation from the European gas market, and definitely till July the 30th, August the 3rd, we potentially might still be on a bullish territory. This means our next potential movement of the natural gas prices might be to the upside, and that is why let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's switch again to natural gas futures, and from this price point, I have to say that we are forming another potential channel on a smaller scale. If we connect all the tops and project it to the bottoms, you can see that we are forming potential another bull flag that most likely should break to the upside. And if you are quite risky, I have to say that we don't have much exposure to our main price target. And let me remind you that if my assumption is correct and we completed several waves, we formed several waves from this bottom. This was the first, this is the second, third, we were forming the fourth wave, and for now we are in our path to complete the fifth wave. We projected this price target at $3.026, and it is a triple confluence in between the Fibonacci extension range. If I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the third to the top of the third and to the bottom of the retracement. Second one, it is a psychological number of $3 mark. And the third one, let's take a look on 4 hours time frame. It is this previous swing high at around $3.04 mark. And definitely, if this asset goes to the upside, we have a decent possibility to catch this next leg. And if you entered your position when I made my previous video, definitely you can be up in several days for about 17.81%, and you will not lose any money because you put your stop loss on a green territory. But if you want to enter your position right here, the risk to reward ratio is not so favorable because we don't have much room to grow, and we have quite decent room to fall down. And that's why I don't suggest you to enter your position. But if you are risky enough, definitely you could use, let me switch again to hourly time frame. You can accumulate your position on the lower border of this channel, and if it breaks it to the downside, you should book your losses. And if this structure works as expected, definitely from the ranges of about let's say $2.659, you might catch about 14% of potential profit, with the downside potential, I guess, less than a couple of percent. And definitely it is another quite lucrative trade. And let me show you another quite interesting pattern. I didn't pay enough attention for the last several weeks, I guess, to the ticker symbol BOIL. But we have quite similar structure right here. And if this assumption is correct and we completed all 5 waves from this bottom to this top, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom to the top, because 5 waves on a smaller scale is nothing else but a 1 wave on a bigger scale. And let me show you right here. We bounced off the golden pocket range, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal. And it is a very powerful pattern because this pattern alone might bring you a lot of profits if you just blindly use this tool and enter your position in the golden pocket range with a quite tight stop loss, or even with the incrementally increasing your position to the downside. And from this range, this asset gained about 18% of potential profit. Definitely I didn't catch it, and I don't want to brag that you should do it. No one should brag about the things that he or she didn't do. I have to say that it is more than enough if you catch just several trades a month, and if these trades are properly made trades, definitely you will be consistently profitable. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.